Good afternoon, everyone. Today we'll start grammar chapter number 4, countable and uncountable nouns. Now you all know about nouns. Okay, noun is a naming word, any naming word, person, place, animals, things. So today we'll learn about countable and uncountable noun. What is countable nouns? Countable nouns that we can count, and uncountable nouns means we cannot count. So let's see. Let us read these lines. 4 boys are playing carom. Now here we can count 4 boys. Okay, 1, 2, 3, like that we can count. 2 girls are watching the games. Now here 2 girls are watching games. 2 kittens are playing with a ball of wool. Yes, 2 kittens are there. Kittens means cat's baby. जो cat की baby होती है उसे kitten कहते हैं. Okay. The words in red in the sentence above are nouns that can be counted. We can count them in number, such as 4 boys, 2 girls and 2 kittens. Such nouns are called countable nouns. Countable nouns are names of the things that can be counted. For example, boy, girl, table, chair, apple, aeroplane, elephant, tree. For example, another one, there were 15 oranges in the basket. How many oranges? 15. Yes, we can count 15s, no? 1, 2, 3, like that we can count numbers. 4 cats are sitting on the wall. How many cats sitting on the wall? 4. 5 boys are playing in the park. There are 2 biscuits on the table. My sister bought the 3 dresses. In these all they are asking for numbers, so we can count that thing. Now here circle the countable nouns in the sentence below. 2 little pigs are playing. Now here how many little pigs are playing? 2. Tom toys are in the bag. What are in the bag? Tom's toys. The moon shines brightly. How moon shines brightly? Each box has 10 pencils. How many? 10. Teacher gave Arjun a few books. Few मतलब थोड़ा, थोड़ी सी book. That also we can count. Now read this sentence. 2 girls are watching the game. Countable nouns may also have a, an or the before them. A comes before singular countable nouns that start with a consonant sound. जो A है हम वो सिंगुलर काउंटेबल नाउन के साथ लगा सकते हैं. जो उसका स्टार्टिंग लेटर होगा वो क्या होगा? कॉन्सोनेंट. And comes before singular countable nouns that start with the vowels. और जब vowels के साथ start होगा तो we will write a and an. And if we are talking about particular people, place, things and animals, then we will use the, the. The. For example, Jamal ate a sandwich. What he ate? A sandwich. So S is a countable or S is a vowels or consonant? Yes, consonant. So a sandwich is a countable noun. Ramesh rode a bus. Now B is a consonant. So a bus is a countable noun. These children are singing a song. Lima ate an apple. The buildings are big. Now here we are talking about building. Buildings are big. So many buildings are there. Yes, I want to buy the notebook we saw yesterday. Now this I will send you all the pictures that you have to write in your grammar textbook. Now we'll see what is uncountable noun. Can you count the exact number of wool that the kitten are playing with? You cannot. Something cannot be counted. Such nouns are called uncountable noun. Now here two cats were playing with wool. No, wool मतलब क्या होता है? ऊन. ऊन का स्वेटर, ऊन जो आती है ना, ऊन ऐसे रोल होके, उसे हम वुल कहते हैं इंग्लिश में. सो वो वुल को हम काउंट नहीं कर सकते हैं. यस, सो दैट इज अनकाउंटेबल नाउन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मिल्क, वाटर, रेन, शुगर, टी, टाइम, ये सब चीज़ों को हम काउंट नहीं कर सकते. यस. नाउ अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स डू नॉट हैव एनी नंबर और ए और एन बिफोर देम. जब अनकाउंटेबल नाउन जो होता है सेंटेंस में, तो वहाँ पे ना ही कोई नंबर का ऑप्शन होता है, ना ही ए लिखा होता है, ना ही एन लिखा होता है. अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स में हैव द बिफोर देम. अभी अनकाउंटेबल नाउन में मोस्टली क्या यूज़ होता है? THE, द. नाउ फॉर एग्जाम्पल, रमेश आस्क्ड मी फॉर सम वाटर. नाउ हियर वाटर वी कैन नॉट काउंट. यस, पानी को हम गिन सकते हैं? नहीं. सो यहाँ पे क्या दिया है? सम वाटर, कुछ वाटर दिया है. रिया हैड सम मिल्क एंड सीरियल फॉर ब्रेकफास्ट. सो हियर ऑल्सो वी कैन नॉट काउंट मिल्क. Like that we have one column, one table. We have to divide into countable noun and uncountable noun. Boat, time, sun, salt, house, tea, wall, juice, ring, light, road, water, farm, rain, door, air. To talk about the quantity of uncountable nouns, we add words such as a bowl of, some, a lot, a little, much, a piece of, and a bit before them. Here also we have some more examples, and here we have matching. So already this I have done. This you have to copy in your grammar textbook. Here we have to make sentence. Now Rupal drank a piece of water. We cannot drink a piece of water. We can drink a bottle of water. Yes, Jia bought a sack of milk. Now milk we cannot buy from the sack. We can buy a bottle of milk. Mother bought a cube of flour. What is cube of flour? A sack of flour will come. Like that, this I have done. This you have to copy in your grammar textbook. Okay. Now in this we have learned countable nouns are names of things that can be counted. Uncountable nouns are names of things that cannot be counted. To talk about the quantity of countable nouns, we use numbers a, and, or, the. To talk about the quantity of uncountable nouns, we use words such as some, a lot, a little, much, a piece of, and a bit of. Okay. Now this all pages I will send you. You should hear this, watch this video, listen very carefully. If you not able to understand, please let me know. And I will send you all these pages. You have to copy down in your grammar textbook. Okay. Thank you.